Hello everyone and welcome back to Learning with a Difference. My name is Minakshi. Few days back I received a comment to prepare school morning assembly anchoring script for 22nd January. Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha ceremony. So this script is for you. रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. It implies that sometimes promises are more important than our life and they must be kept even if we have to sacrifice our life. Lord Rama, in the words of Swami Vivekananda, is the embodiment of truth, of morality, the ideal son, the ideal husband, and above all, the ideal king. Lord Rama's strength and determination inspires us to overcome any obstacles in life. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Veer. On behalf of Raman House, I with my housemates presenting today's morning assembly. My dear friends, as we all know that the Ram temple will be inaugurated today or 22nd January 2024. Our Prime Minister urged people of India to celebrate Deepavali and light Ram Jyoti on 22nd January 2024, the day of Pran Pratishtha of Ram Lala. On such golden occasion, let us seek God's blessings. And now, everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. Now, put down your hands after prayer. Pledge is about the responsibility we hold to make our school, community, and the world a better place. And now, without taking much time, let's all stand straight with proud to recite pledge. And for this, I invite on stage Bhavik from class 8. After pledge, thank you very much, Bhavik. Lord Rama, also known as Maryada Purushottam. He has a millions of devotees and is often pictured as the epitome of perfection. It is believed that Lord Rama was the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu who took Ravan's life and restored Dharma on earth. And with this, let's move ahead. And I would like to invite Raghav from class 8 for Thought of the Day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Raghav. Thought of the day is: only the timid and the weak leave things to destiny, but the strong and the self confident never bank on destiny or luck. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Raghav. Newspapers provide us with up to date information about what is happening in their local community, their country, and around the world. But due to hustle bustle in life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Let's get know today's news headlines, and I would like to invite on stage Garima from class 8. Thank you very much, Garima, for today's news update. Dear friends, Sri Ramchandra ji has presented the best example of humility, dignity, patience, and might in front of the world. There are many stories of Sri Ram in Sanatan Dharma. Maharishi Valmiki has presented the unique stories of Sri Ram's life in a very beautiful way in Ramayana. And let us listen more about the seventh incarnation of Sri Hari Vishnu's 10 incarnations. I would like to invite on stage Shiva from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Shiva. Lord Ram's name uplifts the soul and brings divine blessings. His teachings guide us towards love, peace, and righteousness. And let us chant Jai Shri Ram together and experience the power of devotion. And with this, let us enjoy a bhajan of Shri Ram. I invite on stage girls from class 9th to sing a devotional song. And thank you very much to all of you. Dear friends, Shri Ram is a model for all. He loves his devotees wholeheartedly. Most importantly, he respected every woman. He fought with many powerful demons who started to torture normal people and saints. Let's know more about Shri Ram and about the speciality of 22nd January for us. And I invite on stage our principal sir to speak few words. And thank you very much, sir. Now everybody get ready for national anthem.